Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about this aggregate functions in the Power BI, that is DAX. So you know that there is a different types of functions are there, like count, count A, count X, count AX, count blank, distant count, and distant non-blank count. So based on this data set, there is a that is table. Into that there is a different types of columns present, so we need to just go for the data view. So there is ID, product, quantity, unit price, and is delivery. This is delivery is the boolean values, we can say that like true or false, or in a quantity having some null or blank values are present, so we need to implement based on this. So firstly we will see that is the count. So how to implement this count in the table? So I already imported these types of columns like ID, delivery, product, quantity, and unit price. Based on this we can see. So just we create a new measure for this count first. So count is equal to count of this having column name present. So we will give this quantity as the column name here, because in the quantity having some null or blank values are present, so that's why. Yeah, we take a card. In that card we put this latest measure, that is a count. So yeah, you know that the count having 12 records here. Why? Because this is a this non-blank values are now taken. Here is a count, right? So that is the 12 record. There is a total 14 records are there, but these blank values they not take, so it accept 2, that is 12. And one major function is that like a count will support only for numeric, string, and date functions, right? So it will not implement like a boolean values. So for the boolean values we can, what we can do, so we use suppose I imported this, I used for the boolean of this count only. So what happen here, like age delivery column will present here, so it will take some like error will came for this. So you know that this error fetching data for this visual, this function cannot work with values of type booleans, this error will came, so we will not use for this. So directly we use here only quantity. So yeah, of for using this, and suppose I want to perform onto the boolean value, so we use a count a function here. So we will see that what they can do this. So we'll take new measure for this count a. Count a is equal to what happen, count of a we use, that is we will implement like this, suppose this boolean. So what happen, okay, I just take a new card. In that new card I put this is delivery, that is count a. So you know that this count a will support all this type of all supports like numeric, string, boolean, and date. So it is best rather than this count. Moving to the next, that is the count X. How to perform this count X we will see. So I'll take new measure for this, that is count X, right? Count X is equal to count X bracket, that is the table. So table is here like a table only, comma expression. So we can expression we will do, or like expression, and this table name we will put here, that is the what we can this quantity. So just implement this. I take a card, so based on this card we take this like count X. Count X and count is both the same, but just one thing is additional into that, that is in count X, that is the expression. We can implement the expression here. So I will tell you. Suppose I want to, based on this true values, I want count, so we can able to do the do into that. That is the we use here filter function. Filter, that is the, after that that is the count of this table name here. So comma, that is table name here, we will put table name is equal to that is delivery, and is equal to, I want only true values of the count, so we can implement this at the end. So yeah, that is the COUNTX. So there is only true values are present, like 1 true, 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8. So we can filter out on the COUNTX, that is the additional things into that. This count x will not support for the boolean values, so that is in is delivery option is not we can able to put here. Suppose I will put there, so what happen, I will try is delivery, so there will error will come, so we'll not put this boolean values into the COUNTX. For this special, there is a one DAX function here, like a COUNTAX for this calculate this is delivery. So I again reset it like a quantity only. So yeah, based on this we can clear. So we will take this new measure, that is the COUNTAX. COUNTAX is equal to sorry, I will just copy paste this as it is. Put here like count. That is the COUNTX. COUNTX support for the boolean values, just is delivery. Yeah. Now we will check its implement or not. Just take it, just copy paste it this visual, and just delete this COUNTX, and we will implement like here COUNTAX. This is the COUNTAX, that is 4 values here. So moving to the next, that is the COUNTBLANK. So what is the COUNTBLANK total? So we can see here. Yeah, based on this quantity column, we can see COUNTBLANK is equal to COUNTBLANK, that is the this table we will see. So you know that there is a total 2 blank values are there, so they will count this how many blanks in that particular column. So just I take it, copy it, paste it, just replace this COUNTX with latest COUNTBLANK. So here we will see that there is a total count of the blank is 2 into that quantity column. So that's it. Moving to the next, what is the count rows? So how we will count of these rows? So you know that there is a 14 rows are present into that particular table. So based on this we will see that this counts will came accurate or not. So there is a table, just we click onto that, make a new measure for this count rows. Count rows is equal to count row function, count rows function we will use. Into that this table we will put, that is the table. Based on this table we can see that yeah, just we will do the formatting same as it is. The total records present in that table, that is 14. Count rows is based on the table only, not not columns basis. Now we will see about the distinct count. So based on this quantity table, distinct count is equal to, we use distinct here, distinct count, that is the column name, this is a quantity. We will see it fetch correct or not. What happened here in the distinct count? So there is a, you know that there is a distinct count, like first one, this two, this three, four, five, except this blank, this six, seven, eight, and this nine, or this 10. Means like they count only that's distinct records here. So that is the distinct count. So moving to the next, that is distinct non-blank. That is a distinct non-blank. We will see that. Distinct non-blank is equal to that distinct non-blank. Based on this quantity, we will see it's came correct or not. So just we will put this count non-blank here. You know that what happened, just they ignore these blank values and they count other than this distinct. So that's it. Thank you.